Hey guys, and today in this video I'm going to be talking about 4 seasons of the year. Now I'm going to tell you the cool things about it, and I'm going to tell you true facts about it. Alright, so let's get to this video, shall we? Now these are the 4 seasons of the year. We have fall or autumn, we have winter, spring, and last but not least, summer. Now I'll tell you, in the fall it is from September until November. In the winter is from December until February. Spring is from March until May, and summer is from June until August. Now to be exact though, autumn ends in the middle of December, winter ends in the middle of March, spring ends in the middle of June, and summer ends in the middle of September. This is to be exact here. So now I'm going to tell you the true facts about those 4 seasons of the year. Now what happens in the fall? You know, the leaves on the trees, they change colors. Like they change from green until red, orange, and yellow. The plants doesn't make food anymore. The plants doesn't produce anymore. Some animals hibernate for the cold season. Not all animals can survive the cold season, so some of them have to hibernate for the whole cold season. The weather is getting cooler, the daytime gets shorter, and the daylight saving time ends. Now, fact is, in the very first week of November, the daylight saving time ends. Now, the weather getting cooler by means, I don't mean like it gets really cold like the winter and snow doesn't come yet, but I'm saying it gets cooler. It's not as hot as the summertime. And here's the example of the daytime, the sunrise and sunset. So the sunrise happens at 6:35 a.m. and sunset happens at 7 p.m. or sometimes earlier than that. So this is a fact here about the fall. This is the leaves on the trees changing colors. You can see it's going from green until red, orange, and yellow. Different colors. Here's what the fall season looks like. You can see that beautiful weather, the beautiful daytime in the fall. The leaves are falling down, and you can see the pumpkins here. So I'll tell you, we grow pumpkins in the fall season. Same thing with apples and the orchid apples. We grow those fresh, crunchy red apples, sometimes even sweet yellow apples too. Now what happens in the winter? All the leaves on the trees are gone. Snow falls to the ground, which is like icy and really cold. The earth is tilted away from the sun, or it's tilted away from the equator. The weather gets really cold. The sun rises late and the sun sets early, which means the daytime is really short and the nighttime is really long, which is the opposite in the summer, which I'll get to later in this video. For example, the sun rises at 7:25, sometimes 7:35 in the morning, and the sunset happens at 4:48 p.m., sometimes 4:45 or 4:40. It depends on the region, depends on the country. So that's what happens in the winter. Here we have evergreen trees in the winter. Now, fact is, the evergreen trees in the winter, they never fall off. The leaves never fall off. They always stay on the tree. Those trees stay green all year long. And this is what the winter season looks like. You can see on the left, it has a lot of snow, especially on the trees that have no leaves at all. Here we have the snowman with the scarf and the hat and the black buttons and the carrots. This is how people make snowmans these days. And again, this is in the daytime. Now on the bottom right, this is at nighttime, and you could see the snowman holding a shovel, but it's at nighttime. You know, the nighttime in the winter is really long. This is the opposite in the summer, like I said. Now what happens in the spring? Now things start to get really great. The weather gets warmer, no more snow, and we have more rain. Flowers and plants start to grow. Some animals, wake up from hibernation. the daylight saving returns and the daytime gets longer again. So daylight saving time comes back in the beginning of March. In the beginning of March, or in the first week of March, or the second, the daylight saving time returns. So for example, the sunrise happens at 6:20 a.m. and the sunset happens at 7:35 p.m. So this is an example of the sunrise and sunset in the spring. So this is what happens in the spring. As you can see, we have beautiful flowers in the springtime. You can see those orchids are really beautiful looking. Here we even have the cherry blossom, which again, cherry blossom is really beautiful. I love it. Here we have those beautiful flowers in different colors: red, orange, yellow, even purple and white. This is really beautiful, and you can see the leaves on the trees are growing back, which is really great. Now, last but not least, what happens in the summertime? The weather gets really hot. Even at nighttime, it's still hot. It's sunny a lot, and sometimes it's partly cloudy, but every now and then in the summertime it rains. That doesn't mean it doesn't rain at all. Sometimes, every now and then, it rains. The grass is very green. The plants and trees even can grow fruit on it, which is really great. The daytime is long and the nighttime is short, which is the opposite in winter. So for example, the sun rises at 5:35 a.m. and the sunset happens at 8:42 p.m. Which I'll tell you, this is a really long day, and I'll tell you, the summertime is a really active and really fun season of the year. Which I'll tell you, my favorite season is summer. As you can see, we have the beautiful beach in the summer, which I love the beach. It's really beautiful. Many people love to go to the beach in the summertime. And you can see the beautiful pictures of what the summertime looks like. You can see we have the sunset in the fields, which is really beautiful, and especially in different colors of the sky. Here we have the beautiful sunset in the beach, which I love the sunset in the beach time. It's in the beach is really beautiful. And here we have the beautiful view of the summertime. You can see the green grass and the trees. You can see it's really beautiful, and I love the view. I just love it. And that's it. Now, like I was saying, my favorite season is summertime because it's really hot and it's a really fun season of the year. We're free. There's no school or anything. Now I'm not saying I don't like winter. I like winter. I like to change things up a bit, but you know, depending on the country, it's like United States or United Kingdom, it's like very cold in the winter time, and it snows and rains a lot in there, which I don't like it that much. Now, I like snow, but I don't like to be outdoors in the winter too much. It's just too much of a hassle for me. But here in the Middle East or even in Egypt, it doesn't even snow at all. Maybe once in 100 years, in a century, but it doesn't snow there. But it does rain every now and then in Egypt, you know. And when it rains, the ground gets really muddy and it's hard to walk in it, which I don't really like. I prefer the summertime anyhow. But anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you like this video, please leave a like and comment down below what is your favorite season. I'm gonna type it in the description. Comment down what is your favorite season. Do you like summer? Do you like winter? Do you like spring, or do you like fall? Comment down below and let me know in the comment section below if you have anything else to ask. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Peace.